Hi, we have a few fruits in our basket. Let's see if we can make some delicious dishes for our guests to enjoy. There, that should be enough. And now that our sink is full, we can add our fruit. We want to make sure to scrub the fruit to get all the dirt off so that they're nice and clean when we go to eat them. The first fruit that we're going to use is red apple. We need to cut it into two or the same size. Next fruit. This is banana. Does anybody know what this is? It's a kiwi. We still need some more fruit, so let's go back to basket. Lemons can be really sour, so that's why we're mixing it in with a lot of other sweet fruits. Watermelon, since this is a big fruit. Here's one we all know, a strawberry. If strawberries are too sour for you, you can try them with a little bit of sugar. Now, we can work on our next item. I think we should use this blender to make a smoothie. Pumpkin juice. Carefully cut to get the juice from the pumpkin. Can you really juice a banana? Strawberry. This looks like a really tasty one. Let's add it to our smoothie. Let's add juicy watermelon. Purple grapes. Let's get some juice from these grapes. Now, it's turn the blender on and mix it all up. Oops, we made a mess. Alright, that's our last fruit dish. Now, let's get started on some vegetable ones. Cabbage. Peel the outer layer off and add the head of the cabbage to our pot. Broccoli. For this recipe, we only need half of it. Asparagus. I hated asparagus as a kid. We husk corn by peeling the outer layers off, leaving us with the delicious golden kernels on the inside. Carrot. Carrots have tons of vitamin A, which is good for your eyes. Bell peppers aren't spicy at all. Our recipe says we need 2/3 of a pepper. Mushroom. Not all mushrooms are edible, so only eat the ones you find in the store. I hated eggplant as a kid, and still do as an adult. You don't have to like every vegetable. A chive is a kind of onion. Onions give dishes great flavor. Tomato. Tomatoes are actually fruit, but taste like vegetables, so they still count as a vegetable in cooking. Now let's make a soup. We'll start with some noodles and carrots. Add a can of mushrooms and some beans and peas. Then we'll add 1 cup of water. Once we mix it all up, our pots will be ready to cook. Let's add some salt and pepper for taste. Now, we can turn up the heat on our stove. We'll get one pot going, then the second one. Let's add some sausages to our menu. We'll cook some in the microwave and some in the frying pan. Place the sausages on a microwave-safe plate. Cover with a paper towel. And microwave for a few minutes until they're cooked through. Heat a little oil in the frying pan over medium heat. Add the sausages and cook, turning occasionally until they're golden brown and cooked through. Now, we just need to set the food before our guests arrive. Here's our platter of meat, our delicious fruit bowl, some veggies, sausages, our smoothie, and our yummy soup. Wow, guys, it looks like our dinner party was a great success. If you enjoyed helping us cook the meals, give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.